Now this is how you can add Yahoo Mail in the Android phone. So let me explain it to you, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course there are more ways how you can add the Yahoo Mail. By default on my phone, when I first unboxed it, the email apps included Gmail from Google as well as the Outlook from Microsoft, and both are like from different companies, from different brands, but you can still sign in with the Yahoo Mail to any of them. Like if you, for example, open up the Gmail, click on your, so let me just come back to the main section. So here are your mails, and within Gmail, you can tap on your account, click on add another one, and you can literally sign in with Yahoo Mail. So you will have the ability to just type in your email, your password, and use that account within the Gmail app. So that's actually very nice because you don't even have to download anything else. And the same goes for Outlook. Like I also have the app pre-installed, so you can get there, click on sign in, add account. I'm going to skip this one, and you can see I can use Google, Microsoft, and even Yahoo, right? So you can also sign in with the same Yahoo Mail. So that's something that not many people realize that they can do. But if you like the direct approach, you can go to the Play Store and look up Yahoo Mail as a separate application, which would also work. Like you can download it as a standalone app, which is going to show up in your app drawers like I have in here. You can get inside, sign in with your account, and have it accessible in there. So that's yet another way to add it. This one is probably the best if you ask me, because you have it inside of a separate standalone dedicated app just for this purpose. So yeah, I like to keep my email separated. I like to have my Gmail in the Gmail app and Yahoo in the Yahoo app, but yeah, you can mix it up if you wanted to. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to quickly explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.